Hello students, our today's topic of discussion is EVS 1. Chapter 15, Communication and Mass Media. Topics to be discussed: Advantages of telecommunication and mass media. Disadvantages of telecommunication devices. So let's get started with the lesson. Students, can you tell question number 1? We watch TV programs on many different channels. Where do they come from? Answer: artificial satellites are used in modern methods of communication to give us these programs. Question number 2. We talk to others on our mobile phones. What makes communication on a mobile phone possible? Answer: communication and mass media, which is being helped by artificial satellites, make this possible. In the first chapter, we learned about launching of spacecraft and artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are used in modern methods of communication. The signals are delivered very quickly from one point to another. For example, first one. We can watch the live telecast of any event going on in any part of the world. For example, football or cricket matches. Second, with the help of mobile phones, we can directly talk to people in other countries. Third one, the president or prime minister can address the entire nation at the same time over the radio or TV. Students, can you tell? Study the pictures given on the screen. Write the names of the emotion that you see on each face on the screen. First one, a happy face. Second, angry face. Third one, sad face. Fourth one, frightened face. So, what do you understand from each emotions? We can understand a person's feelings by looking at the expression on their face. The expression on the person's face and the gestures communicate a message to us. We receive messages or information through communication. The exchange of information is called communication. Information is useful for constructing knowledge. Now, let us learn about the advantages and disadvantages of telecommunication. Advantages of telecommunication and mass media. We can easily contact people far away from us. The time and effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. They help to raise awareness about issues such as environmental balance, gender equality, and cleanliness. People can be forewarned about natural disasters like storms, tsunamis, floods, etc. They build awareness about health, educational facilities, good things happening in the society, etc. They help in successful implementation of government schemes launched for the benefit of people. Awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, and health. This improves people's way of life. Mass media help in the expansion of trade and industry. Now, let us learn about the disadvantages of telecommunication devices. Excessive use of the television, computer, or mobile phones causes disorders of the eyes, ears, and back. Psychological disorders and isolations, etc., are also possible. We get all sorts of information through television channels and the internet. There are instances of this information being misused to disturb the peace and order in society. Time spent on watching television leads to the neglect of outdoor sports and physical fitness. This has an adverse effect on physical health. Students, always remember telecommunication devices should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. Points to remember: Introduction to the means of communication, use of space launch technology for telecommunication, Introduction to Mass Media. Advantages and disadvantages of mass media. So, students, here we end with our today's EVS 1 session. We will meet in our next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.